Dear students, today we will start matrix. First of all, you should know what is the matrix. Matrix is the rectangular arrangement of elements in a square bracket. Horizontal elements make rows and vertical elements make columns. If there are m rows and n columns, then order of the matrix is called m into n. Here in this matrix A, these lines horizontal are rows. There are 3 rows and columns vertical 3. Therefore, its order is 3 by 3. Let us take one example. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix A equals to Aij given by Aij equal to I plus j. First of all, we will write A equals to A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. As A11 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2, therefore we will construct 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Now types of a matrix. First, row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix, like this 1, 2, 3. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix, like this 1, 2, 3. Number 3 is square matrix. If the number of rows is same as the number of columns is called a square matrix, like this 1, 2, 3. Its order is 3 by 3. A matrix in which every element other than its principal diagonal 0 is called the diagonal matrix. What is this? Diagonal matrix. Like this A00, 0B0, 00C. Scalar matrix. The diagonal matrix in which every principal diagonal matrix are same is called a scalar matrix. Here A00, 0A0, 0, 0. Here principal diagonal elements are same. That's why it is called the scalar matrix. Identity matrix. If principal diagonal is unity 1, 0, 0, 1. Null matrix. If every element is 0, like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0. Here we can write some other types of matrices from book. Now some operations. Equality of matrices. Two matrices are equal if their corresponding parts are equal, like A, B, C, D equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore A equals to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3 and D equal to 4. Now addition of matrices. If two matrices are of same order, then we will add the corresponding parts, like this A, B, C, D and X, Y, Z, T. We will add A plus X, B plus Y, C plus Z and D plus T. Properties of addition of matrices. First, commutative property, A plus B equals to B plus A. Second, associative, A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Identity axiom, if O is the null matrix, then A plus O equals to O plus A equals to O. Equal to A, sorry. Now inverse axiom, A plus minus A equals to minus A plus A equal to O. Here if their sum is 0, then both are said to be inverse of each other. Now cancellation law, A plus C equals to B plus C. C cancelled, A equals to B. Now multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. If you multiply a matrix by a scalar k, then every element will be multiplied by k, like this example. Subtract some matrices. If A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals to 4, 3, 2, 1, then A minus B means A plus minus B. Minus B means we will change the sign of every element of B. Therefore, it will become minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3. If X plus Y equals to 5, 2, 0, 9, X minus Y equals to this, then find XY. As it is the value of x plus y and x minus y, we will add first and find the value of x. Also, if you subtract, we will find the value of y. Similarly, we can try for other questions. Now, multiplication of matrices. If there are two matrices, the rule that number of column in first must be same as number of rows in second. Only then we can multiply. For this example, here there are 2 rows, in second matrix 2 columns. Now we will multiply first row to first column. Here 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3 here. Similarly 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 5 into 3. Now for the same as second column, and in this way we will get the product as 14, 10, 23 and 18. Now you can practice for some more questions from your textbook. Now properties of matrix multiplication. First property, commutative. A cross A into B is not equal to B into A. A into B into C equals to A into B into C. Associative property. Now distributive property, A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. Identity axiom, if I is the identity matrix, then A into I equals to I into A equal to A. Now inverse axiom, A into A inverse equals to A inverse into A equal to I. Now transpose of a matrix. If we interchange rows and columns, then the matrix is called the transpose of matrix. For example, A in row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you take the transpose, we will get same in columns. First column 1, 2, 3, second 4, 5, 6 and third 7, 8, 9. Now some properties of transpose. A transpose whole transpose equal to A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A into B whole transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. K into A whole transpose equal to K into A transpose. And A, B, C whole transpose equals to C transpose, B transpose, A transpose. Now symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. For example, this, it is A and it is A dash. We see that both are the same. Therefore, these are symmetric matrix. Now, skew-symmetric. A matrix is said to be skew-symmetric if A transpose equals to minus A. For example, A is this. If you transpose A dash, take negatives uncommon, we will see again we are getting A. So A transpose equal to minus A. Therefore, this is the skew-symmetric matrix.